Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, and I'm back, baby, with another video. Thank y'all for kicking it with me today. So this morning, guys, I'm actually about to take Red into the dealer for her third recall. I'll put it third. This is the paper right here. This is her third recall since I had my truck, my F150. It's 2015. So ever since I had, it's been a recall a year, literally one recall every year. So one of you all in the, I think either on Instagram in the comments asked me about how's it been owning the 2015 F150 Ecoboost, 3.5 Ecoboost engine. For now, I had it over now for about 21,000 miles. So I'll say this is my 20,000 mile review. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a 20,000 mile review. I'm just giving y'all my perspective of owning it for the last, what, 2.5, 3 years. I'm actually about to go drop it off right now at the dealership. So yeah, let's get ready to head out, and I'll let y'all see it real quick. She is cleaned up pretty nice. You know what I'm saying? I got a clean. I went and got a little quick detail, but yeah, she looking real good, man. So let's go ahead and hop in, and I'll see y'all in a second. So I believe this recall, if I remember correctly, is for the master brake cylinder that apparently it may leak or something like that, which caused the brakes to potentially fail or something like that. They announced this recall actually earlier this year. I think I got the first recall letter like summer, maybe early fall, but they didn't have the part. So they're like, if you're not experiencing any issues with the symptoms they described, don't bring it in until you get a letter. So I just got my letter. Like I said, this is the third recall. I think the other one was the seatbelt fire hazard, where they had to replace like the insulation and everything in here. And then I think there was one more. It was something under the hood. I don't remember what it was, but this definitely is the third one, man. So first thing I talk about the performance of the Ecoboost, man. So again, so I had the truck now 20,000 miles, and the performance of this thing is, I think it's top notch. This truck is, for one, it's very, very quick and fast to be a truck, and mine's is lifted with 35-inch tires, 6-inch lift 35-inch tires. For some of you all may just now be for the first time watching my channel. And this truck can run with a lot of cars, some V6, it'll probably be a lot of V6s for sure, because I am tuned for one. So the performance of this thing is, like, I'm just talking about speed, but as far as like towing and all that, I actually do not tow a lot with my truck. But, you know, just from what I read and all that, and the towing capacity and everything that it has, this truck tows more than the V8. It's faster than the V8. Reliability, I honestly think that comes down to, it could come down to a lot of things, man. You could probably buy the lemon, or you don't manage your truck well. It could be various factors. All my cars I've had, personally, I have not really had like an issue with I'm probably about to jinx the hell out of myself, but I have not had like major engine issues, like anything like that, man, because I take care of my truck pretty well. So, I mean, I think, you know, some people say the Ecoboost is not reliable and all that, but I've seen videos and what guys showing their speedometers rolling over 200,000 miles on these Ecoboost engines. Going back to performance, I haven't towed with it, so I really can't say anything about that part of the performance. I have loaded the bed down before, and whatever's in the back, like with furniture and a whole bunch of stuff like that, and yeah, it feels like nothing's back there for sure. I love the way it performs. And then when you hear those turbos, with my tune, the turbos are definitely a lot louder. So you hear those turbos spooling up, and you can hear them. It sounds like a baby diesel. I always say that. This thing sounds exactly like a baby diesel, and I love it, to be honest with you, man. You can just hear, like, even when I cold start, you hear the, you know. I wouldn't hesitate buying another 3.5. The only thing I probably don't like about the 3.5, and I think I said this in a lot of my videos, is the sound. You just don't get that V8 sound, which I love. I like loud cars, loud bikes, motorcycles. I just like loud, you know, not crazy loud, but loud. That's the only thing. I do got a resonate delete on this, which helps like under startup, and at low speeds you can kind of hear it, but other than that you don't really hear it. So, but I would not touch my exhaust on this. I'm not gonna mess it up and rice it. I'm just not gonna do it. And I can also tell y'all right now, when it's cooler, like right now it's 59 degrees outside, these turbos, that was like 25% throttle. These turbos love the cool weather for sure. The truck definitely performs better in the cooler weather. I think that's most cars though. I mean, air, cool, I think that's all cars. I got a tune, so you're supposed to swap your thermostat. I have the thermostat. I had the thing now for about 6-7 months, guys. I have not put it in this truck. So you're supposed to swap your thermostat. Ooh, Mustangs. Man, comment below. Mustang for the channel? What y'all think? Mustang, bring a Mustang. I'm thinking about getting rid of the bike and either going Mustang or like a Scat Pack Challenger wide body 392, man. You know, that's what I'm thinking about doing. Comment below what y'all think. Mustang for the channel or that Scat Pack 392. Oh, damn, they busy this morning. So anyway, we go pull up in here. Drop this puppy off. Didn't say how long it was gonna take, but I got a nice, this thing is nice. Single cab F150, nice wheel, dual exhaust on it. Yeah, let me go look at this. Anyway, man, let me get out and get my truck all situated, and I'll catch y'all in a second. Shelby Raptor. I mean, Shelby F150, I said Raptor. Got his personal views. Like this, like that. This is nice, this is nice. This is super dope. I like this a lot. 770 horsepower. Don't be mistaken. Another F-150. I think this was here last time. I like the wheels, fuel wheels. Got a Ranger, nice Ranger. Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. Got the front now. They got a freaking light bar in it and an aftermarket bumper. That's dope. I guess I'll go ahead and talk about cost, maintenance costs, and I guess this is gonna lump in with my last thing, which was the reliability. So I'm just killing two birds with one stone. I have, as far as maintenance, I do not want to jinx myself. I have only spent normal maintenance on this truck, and I say normal. There's oil changes and tire rotations, and y'all know I do that a lot more frequently with the tire rotations because of the tires I have in my truck. They need to be rotated every 3,000 miles, not every oil change, like most tires are. So I have not had any issues with my Ecoboost engine. I read issues like turbo leak, vacuum leaks, time chain tensioners, and all type of stuff. And I just like freaked out when I read all that stuff. But I have not had any issues with my Ecoboost, man. That thing has been strong. Right now I'm at 64,000 miles. And it has been strong. Now, I don't beat on it and probably use it like some of the other ones, like, you know, guys may. I'm about to break track real quick. Look at these, all these Roush F-150. All these are Roushes. These 6 right here, which is pretty cool. I like that gray right there. It's been reliable as all get out. So, and that's gonna lump into cost. I have not spent any crazy thing on the truck. Now, I'm not sure once you hit like 75,000 miles, if something's gonna change or anything like that. I have no issues with it, guys. So if you wanna question the reliability of a 3.5 and you hear all this stuff, you take care of your engine and your car and everything, man. It's gonna take care of you. Gotta come back and pick up the truck. But yeah, cost and anything like that, man, no issues. It's been reliable as all get out. It's probably any one of my cars I have had. General maintenance stuff. I'm gonna say, man, take up your trucks, your cars, and they'll take care of you. So I'm highly on top of my maintenance and everything like that. At 60,000 miles, I did a spark plug swap. We got the spark plugs, new coils put in. I do my oil change regularly, everything like that. Tires rotated regularly. Oil change is the biggest thing. You do your oil change on time and regularly and do it properly, you should be fine, man. But I mean, some people just have bad luck. I get it, but so far with me and none of my vehicles, I've not had bad luck. We've been good. But so anyway, I'll catch y'all when I come back to pick up the truck. Yeah, I'm gonna get some of your Chick-fil-A. Shit, we here. Let me get the you already know what I want. That's an inside joke, y'all. Anyway, let me get the scramble bowl.
Hi, can I get the scramble bowl, please? Would you like the meal?
No.
No, thank you. Just the bowl, please.
All right. Anything else for you?
Yes, can I also get the
Did you say that chicken, right? The chicken bowl?
Yes. Chicken.
Yeah, chicken, yeah.
And then can I also get the 4-count chicken minis with hash browns? Just the chicken minis.
All right. Anything else for you?
Can I get hash brown?
Another order of hash browns, please.
Another? So it would be 2 hash browns?
Yes.
All right. Anything else?
Can I get strawberry jelly, please?
Anything else?
Nope, that's it. YouTube, y'all paying me our Chick-fil-A breakfast this morning?
I got my card though, for real. I get to use my points. I get to get my points.
No, I'm redeeming a reward.
Oh, okay. We be fighting over guys over who gonna have the points or we always fight.
I put Quincy on to the reward points. That's what y'all don't see when he be talking about it's 9 points. He never knew about points until he met me.
They don't see me talk about the points. Anyway, so we always fight who's gonna get the reward to scan the app to get the points on the reward. We always argue about it. If we at Chick-fil-A, Chipotle, okay. My rule is if you paying, you get the points.
But no, yeah, sometimes we be using so we have joint shared account, whatever, long story. But he'll still be like, well, I'm ordering it, so I get to use my points. But no, it's a shared account. It's both our money.
Well, as the driver in that situation, I had to talk and place the order. I feel like
driving, so I get to use my points.
Okay, see, there you go. You get to use the points. See, so there you go. So if I'm driving and place the order and have to go in my wallet, grab my card, it's going on my points. That's just simple math. 1 + 1 is 2. Don't overthink it. All right, guys, red is all done, as y'all can see. Pulled up clean. Freestyle king. Did they wash it? Oh, dang, watch it. Oh, they did. Well, I don't know what they did. Yes, sir. Dang, they got my seat all the way up. Man. All right, there we go. So I had to get some new brakes. So I totally jinxed myself. Remember when I said, don't jinx myself? That's exactly what I did. I jinxed myself because I had to get some new rear brakes. He was like, man, your rear brakes are almost gone, man. So, he's like, it was at 2 millimeters. So I had to get some new rear brakes put on. Actually, it was a lot cheaper than I thought it was gonna be. It was only about, it came out to 179, 197 after tax. So that wasn't too bad. They replaced the master brake cylinder that, you know, apparently was causing a leak issue. So here's my thing here, put that back. Yeah, so that's replaced. Maintenance wise, guys, reliability 21,000 miles on this truck so far. No issues. General maintenance stuff. Lift kit. This is not about the lift kit. This is just with the Ford itself, just being a Ford. Appreciate y'all watching. It's boy Q. I'll catch you next one. Peace.